Hello everyone, welcome to Divine Healing YouTube channel. I welcome you all to this 5-minute self-love guided meditation. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax, sit or lie down and gently close your eyes. Begin this meditation by taking deep cleansing breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Release any tension or worries as you breathe out. Now bring your attention to your heart center, the source of love within you. Visualize a warm, soft light glowing in the center of your chest. This light represents self-love. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, imagine this loving light expanding with each breath. Feel it growing brighter, warmer, filling your entire chest and radiating throughout your body. And as this light of self-love expands, let go of any negative self-talk or self-doubt. Release judgments or criticism you may hold about yourself. Visualize the light dissolving any self-imposed limitations, like chains falling away from your body. You are free to love and accept yourself just as you are. Now repeat after me. I love and accept myself unconditionally. I am worthy of love and kindness. Now imagine the self-love light extending beyond your body, creating a protective bubble of love and compassion around you. Feel this bubble of self-love enveloping you, offering a shield of self-acceptance and warmth. Take a moment to bask in this love and acceptance. Know that you're enough just as you are. You are the beautiful creation of the Almighty. You deserve to be loved. You are love. Your heart is love. Your body is love. Your mind is love. You radiate love. You radiate love for yourself, for your family, for your society, and from all the beings of the universe. As the meditation comes to close, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Gently move your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for joining this 5-minute self-love guided meditation. Practice this for 21 days. Carry this sense of self-love with you throughout the day, knowing that you deserve all the love and kindness of the world. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.